Hello friends. According to new patterns, scenario-based MCQs are very important for MBBS students. We will discuss 25 important MCQs on upper limb of bones. Let's play. First question. A 35-year-old man sustains a fracture at the surgical neck of humerus. Which nerve is most at risk? Answer है axillary nerve. Explanation. The axillary nerve winds around the surgical neck of humerus along with posterior circumflex humeral artery. इंजरी कॉज करेगी डेल्टोइड पैरालिसिस प्लस लॉस ऑफ सेंसेशन ओवर रेजिमेंटल बेड्स एरिया. नेक्स्ट, ए यंग बॉय प्रेजेंट्स with wrist drop after mid shaft fracture of humerus. Which structure is injured? Answer है radial nerve. Explanation. Radial nerve runs in spiral groove on posterior surface of humerus. Injury cause loss of wrist extensors, result in wrist drop. Next, a child falls on outstretched hand and develops apple-like hand deformity. Which nerve is likely damaged in supracondylar fracture of humerus? Answer है median nerve. Explanation. Supracondylar fracture common in children, cause median nerve damage, loss of thenar muscles, epithumb deformity. Next, a 20-year-old male has fracture in the middle third of clavicle. Which muscle cause upward displacement of medial fragment? Answer है sternocleidomastoid muscle. Sternocleidomastoid muscle pulls medial fragment upward, weight of limb pulls lateral fragment downward. Next, a patient presents with weakness of supraspinatus and infraspinatus after injury at suprascapular notch. Which nerve is injured? Answer है suprascapular nerve. Suprascapular nerve passes through suprascapular notch under superior transverse ligament. Injury cause weak initiation of abduction or external rotation. Next, a 12-year-old boy fracture the medial epicondyle of humerus. Which nerve is most likely injured? Answer है ulnar nerve. Ulnar nerve runs posterior to medial epicondyle in ulnar groove. Injury cause claw hand deformity. Next, a patient cannot extend his elbow after a direct fall on the olecranon. Which muscle is affected? Answer है triceps. Olecranon gives insertion to triceps. Fracture cause loss of extension at elbow. Next है, a 60-year-old woman falls on outstretched hand. X-ray shows fracture of distal radius with dorsal displacement. Diagnosis. Answer है Colles fracture. Colles distal radius fracture 2.5 cm from wrist. Distal fragment displaced dorsally cause dinner fork deformity. Next, a man falls on flexed wrist. Distal radius fracture with volar displacement is called. Answer है Smith's fracture. Reverse of Colles fracture, volar displacement. Next, a patient has tenderness in anatomical synapse after a fall. Which bone is most likely fractured? Answer है scaphoid. Scaphoid fracture common risk of avascular necrosis due to retrograde blood supply. Next, after wrist trauma, a patient develops median nerve compression with carpal bone dislocation. Which bone is most likely involved? Answer है lunate. Lunate dislocation compresses median nerve, cause carpal tunnel symptoms. Next, a cricket player is stuck on the hypothenar eminence and develops ulnar nerve palsy. Which bone is fractured? Answer है hamate. Ulnar nerve passes near hook of hamate, cause fracture, ulnar nerve injury. Next, which is the first bone to ossify in the body? Answer है clavicle. Clavicle ossifies in membrane 5th to 6th week intrauterine life, but lasts to complete fusion 25 years. Next, wrist drop after humeral shaft fracture is due to injury at. Answer है spiral groove. Radial nerve injury in spiral groove cause wrist drop. Next, which part of clavicle is most commonly fractured? Answer है middle third. Middle third is weakest due to absence of muscular and ligamentous support. Next, long head of bicep rises from supraglenoid tubercle. लॉन्ग हेड सुप्राग्लेनोइड ट्यूबरकल से राइज होता है, शॉर्ट हेड कोरोनोइड प्रोसेस है. नेक्स्ट, लॉन्ग हेड ऑफ ट्राइसेप राइजेस फ्रॉम इंफ्राग्लिनोइड ट्यूबरकल. लॉन्ग हेड ऑफ ट्राइसेप्स राइजेस फ्रॉम इंफ्राग्लिनोइड ट्यूबरकल. नेक्स्ट, विच कार्पल बोन इज सिसामोइड इन नेचर? आंसर है पिसिफॉर्म. पिसिफॉर्म इज सिसामोइड बोन इन टेंडन ऑफ फ्लेक्सर कार्पाई अल्नारिस. नेक्स्ट, बाइसेप्स ब्रेकाई इंसर्ट ऑन. आंसर है रेडियल ट्यूब्रोसिटी. बाइसेप्स इंसर्ट ऑन रेडियल ट्यूब्रोसिटी प्रोवाइड सुपिनेशन एंड फ्लेक्सेशन. नेक्स्ट, ए पेशेंट with fall on outstretched hand has fracture of styloid process of ulna. Which ligament is disrupted? Answer है ulnar collateral ligament. Styloid of ulna gives attachment to ulnar collateral ligament. Next, which part of humerus articulates with head of radius? Answer है capitulum. Capitulum spherical articular surface for head of radius. नेक्स्ट, विच पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमरस आर्टिकुलेट्स विथ अल्ना? आंसर है ट्रोक्लिया. ट्रोक्लिया आर्टिकुलेट्स विथ ट्रोक्लियर नोच ऑफ अल्ना. नेक्स्ट, विच फोसा अकोमोडेट्स ओलेक्रोनन प्रोसेस ऑफ अल्ना ड्यूरिंग एक्सटेंशन? आंसर है ओलेक्रोनन फोसा. लोकेटेड पोस्टीरियरली ऑन डिस्टल ह्यूमरस, फिट्स ओलेक्रोनन इन एक्सटेंशन. नेक्स्ट, विच फोसा अकोमोडेट्स कोरोनोइड प्रोसेस ऑफ अल्ना ड्यूरिंग फ्लेक्सेशन? आंसर है कोरोनोइड फोसा. एंटीरियर फोसा ऑफ ह्यूमरस फिट्स कोरोनोइड प्रोसेस ड्यूरिंग फ्लेक्सेशन. नेक्स्ट, विच फोसा अकोमोडेट्स हेड ऑफ रेडियस ड्यूरिंग फ्लेक्शन? आंसर है रेडियल फोसा. रेडियल फोसा स्मॉल डिप्रेशन अबव कैपिटुलम फॉर हेड ऑफ रेडियस इन फ्लेक्शन. थैंक यू.